Listen, if you're in impact investing right now and you feel like you've hit a wall, like no matter how much data you collect, it still feels like you're throwing darts blindfolded, good. That frustration means you care. But caring isn't enough anymore. You're losing deals, missing opportunities, and worse, you can't tell if your portfolio is really making a dent or just padding numbers on paper. Data is supposed to be the answer, right? But where's the certainty? Where's the edge that actually sets winners apart? The brutal truth is, most impact data today is a mess. Too slow, too disconnected, too dry to show real change or real risk in time. And that kills performance faster than you realize. Here's the thing. You can't fix this by just adding more reports or digging up quarterly numbers no one trusts. You have to rethink how data works for you, not as a passive tool, but as a sharp weapon tuned for impact. If you want to smash the noise, start by demanding data that isn't just about output. Start with data that tracks real outcomes at the level that matters. Don't settle for surface metrics like number of people reached or amount invested. Drill down into how those actions shift behaviors, open doors, and break cycles. The tools that give you that kind of insight, think real-time analytics, AI-driven trend spotting, connected data that talks across sectors, those are the ones that flip the game. And don't get caught up in complexity. The biggest mistake founders and investors make is drowning in data swamp without a compass. You have to be ruthless here. Define the key indicators that actually predict impact success. Then obsessively focus on those. Cut everything else loose. It's brutal but necessary, because clutter kills clarity. And without that clarity, you'll keep throwing good capital into dead-end projects. Next, demand transparency. Real transparency. The data platforms you use should not only show what's happening, but also how and why. You need to see the whole story, not just the highlights the managers want you to see. That means pushing for integration of financial, social, environmental data in a way that's honest and comprehensive. No sugarcoating, no hiding failures. This is your money, your mission. Then, here's what most people don't get but should. Impact data analytics isn't just about tracking, it's about prediction. The future of impact investing is in tools that help you anticipate shifts before they become obvious. Want to pick winners early? Use data that analyzes patterns like community engagement trajectories, ecosystem reactions, policy shifts, and combine that with on-the-ground feedback loops that update fast. Make the data dynamic, not static. That's the only way to get ahead of curveballs and avoid the hype traps you've seen before. Finally, stop flying solo. The value of impact data tools multiplies when you share insights with the right network. Other founders, investors, operators who are hungry for real learning, not just PR wins. Build or tap into platforms that enable fast, secure, selective data sharing to co-create knowledge in real time. This network effect will give you the edge nobody else has, because knowledge locked away is just wasted potential. If this sounds like a lot, it's because it is. But here's the brutal fact. Those who cling to old ways, random reports, gut feelings, endless meetings without answers, are watching their portfolios stall, or worse, fail outright. You want to win in impact investing today? You have to train yourself, your teams, and your partners to think of data as a living, breathing part of your investment strategy. Use it to question everything, reveal blind spots, and force better decisions every step of the way. Impact data analytics tools are not just reshaping portfolio success. They are the only way portfolio success happens now. If you keep ignoring this, you're not just behind, you're invisible. Step up. Demand more. Demand tools that fight for your money and your mission every day. Because the difference between guessing and knowing is the difference between losing it all and changing the world. Make sure you're on the right side of that line. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to learn more.